Hello my geniuses, in this amazing video you will learn how master chefs use their knowledge of addition and subtraction of fractions to make a perfectly delicious strawberry sorbet. Now this recipe uses 2 1/4 cup of strawberries and 1/4 cup honey. So how much strawberry sorbet is made in total? To find out the total amount of strawberry sorbet, we need to add these fractions. So सबसे पहले let's convert the mixed fraction 2 1/4 into an improper fraction. 2 1/4 becomes 2 into 4 plus 1. The whole thing upon 4, which is equal to 9 upon 4 cups of strawberries. And then we add 1/4 cup of honey to it. So 9 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 10 upon 4 cups of strawberry sorbet. We can reduce it to its simplest form, which is 5 upon 2. We can also express it as a mixed fraction. 5 upon 2 becomes 2.5 cups of perfect strawberry sorbet. Now in this example, we added 9 upon 4 cups of strawberries and 1 upon 4 cups of honey. These fractions are like fractions. But tell me something, what if we wanted to add unlike fractions? जैसे कि say 7 upon 3 plus 8 upon 5. So what should we do first? To add unlike fractions, we must first find the LCM of the denominators, which is 3 and 5. So LCM हो जाएगा 15. So 7 upon 3 plus 8 upon 5 can be written as 7 upon 3 is equal to 7 into 5 upon 3 into 5, which is equal to 35 upon 15. And 8 upon 5 is equal to 8 into 3 upon 5 into 3, which is equal to 24 upon 15. So 35 upon 15 plus 24 upon 15 is equal to 59 upon 15. Like addition, we can also subtract fractions. So let's try an example. To make 7 upon 20 kg of these mouth-watering Hawaiian popsicles, a master chef used 1 upon 5 kg pineapples, some kiwis and 1 upon 20 kg bananas. To find the amount of kiwi that was added to these delicious popsicles, we need to subtract 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 20 from 7 upon 20. So LCM of 5 and 20 कितना है? 20. So this expression becomes 7 upon 20 minus 4 upon 20 plus 1 upon 20, which is equal to 7 upon 20 minus 5 upon 20, which is equal to 2 upon 20, जिसको हम लिख सकते हैं as 1 upon 10. So 1 upon 10 kg of kiwis was added to make these yummy looking popsicles. So bhai, the next time you want to try making a delicious new recipe, use your MasterChef skills and of course your knowledge of addition and subtraction of fractions for outstanding results. Genius se padho, genius bano.